So hello, I'm almost finished with my job about the automation of the robot to the machine, and the robot now is waiting to finish the machinery. The machine is the Victor S26, all new, and she is the turning machine. And the robot is from Universal Robot. I'm the responsible for the installation and calibration and start and programming for the operating programs, robot programs. And now the job is almost done. We have some just adjustment about the cable, and the robot is active and running.